Morning students. Now today we are going to solve some questions of your exercise chapter motion and time. One question that is hot question of your exercise, the distance time graphs, the distance time graphs of two cars P and Q are shown in the figure. Which of two is moving? Which of two is moving at lower speed? Solution. It is given in the book. Here, along x-axis, time is given in second. This is the origin, and along y-axis, distance in meter. Now, when we plot a graph between distance and time, there are two graphs are given. This is P and this is Q. So the distance time graph of two cars, suppose here two cars are there, P and Q are shown in the figure, and there are two graphs of two cars are given, P and Q cars in this graph. We have to find out the which car is moving at the lower speed and which car is moving at higher speed. In this graph, all we see the slope of OQ straight line is more than that of slope of straight line OP. If the straight line, slope of a straight line has greater slope, then it is moving with higher speed. That is, if the graph between distance and time, that is OP, has higher steep, it is more steeper. OQ straight line is more steeper than OP. So those straight line which is more steeper has higher speed, and those straight line which has lower steeper, that is, then it has lower speed. So in this graph, the slope of straight line OP is less than that of straight line OQ. So in this graph, the slope of a straight line OP is less than that of the straight line OQ. In another words, we can say that the slope of OQ straight line is more than that of straight line OP. So in this case, which of two is moving at lower speed? So here car P is moving with lower speed. So here the car P is moving at a lower speed. This is the solution of the question number, hot question D. Now next question. A bird flies at a speed of 1 meter per second. Calculate the distance covered in 5 seconds. Here you have to find the speed. Here it is given that the speed is given and time is also given. We have to calculate the distance covered. So here speed is equal to 1 meter per second. Time is 5 seconds. You have to calculate the distance. Distance is equal to formula speed into time. So here speed is given 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second into time is 5 seconds. So second cancel here. 1 into 5 is equal to 5 meter. So in this case, the distance covered by the bird is 5 meter in 5 seconds. Thank you.